Hello students, good morning everyone. Have a nice day. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and secure at your homes. Okay, come, let's move on to today's topic. In class 6, term 1, unit 1, today I am going to teach you a supplementary Owly lesson. Did you all saw owl? Yes, this one is a small owl, that is owlet. This story is based on the owlet. Important characters in this story are Payal, her mom, and the small owlet. Okay, children, come, let's move on to today's topic. Owly, mom, Payal yelled in panic. Owly is gone. Where would she have gone, Payal? Her mother said crossly. She was right there, sleeping in her cage a little while ago. But she is not there now. And Mom, the door to the garden is open. That got Payal's mother running into the room. Sure enough, there was no sign of Owly. As I told you already, this supplementary is based on three characters: Payal, her mother, and also a small owlet. In Payal's house, there was one small owl. Okay, but now the small owl was missing, and this made Payal to shout in panic. But her mother tells that Owly was sleeping in her cage only. But not only Owly was missing, but also the door to the garden was opened. So this made Payal's mother to run into the room. And this one is story. What was an owl doing in your house, you ask? Well, Payal's house was home to all kinds of creatures, brought mainly lost abandoned dogs, animals, injured cats, and baby birds that had fallen out of their cages to Payal's mother. It wasn't that they have a large farm or even a large house. It is just that everyone knew that Payal's mom had a big heart. But even in a household used to such unexpected visitors, Owly's advent had been memorable. Shifali Didi had just turned up one day carrying a carton. And now I am going to explain this paragraph to you. Okay, kids? Just listen carefully, kids. What was an owl doing in your house, you may ask? What was an owl doing in Payal's house? You can ask, okay? But well, Payal's house was home to all kinds of creatures, mainly abundant animals. Payal grew all kinds of creators, like all kinds of pet animals in her house. Okay, like injured cats and lost dogs and also baby birds that had fallen out of their cages. People from her neighbors had brought lost dogs and also injured cats. If no one is there to look after dogs, means they just left it to Payal's mother. It shows that Payal does not have very big house and all, but it is that everyone knew that Payal's mother had a very big heart. But even in many of these animals and birds, Owly had an adventure memory. Okay. Shifali Didi had just turned up one day. One day, Shifali Didi had came and carrying a carton. Carton is nothing but a cardboard box. When Payal's mother opened the carton, there was the small owlets sitting in one corner, a small ball of brown and grey. Payal's mother picked her up gently and placed her in her lap, talking to her just as she would do to the dogs. She had never handled owls before, So she was very careful not to be picked. When the owl got used to her and seemed relaxed enough, Payal's mother placed her inside a cage. There were there were always empty cages in Payal's house just in case a bird dropped in. The baby owl climbed on the rod and settled herself. This is another para from Owly's story. When the Payal's mother opened that cardboard box, she saw one small owl sitting in one corner. Before that, she did not handle any owl. So, she is very careful to handle this small owlet because she should not do any harm to that owl. Very small, no, so that only. And there was always a empty cage in Payal's house just for the dropped birds. So Payal's mom took one cage and placed owl into the cage. And that small owl started to climb on the rod and settled herself. Now the small owlet is placed in a empty cage. In next paragraph, we are going to see what they named this owl and also what are the steps they are taking to grow this owl in their house. This is the next paragraph. Mom, what shall we call her? Asked Payal, all excited. You choose a name, said her mother smiling. How about Owly? Asked Payal. So Owly it was. The name was settled, but there was a bigger problem. What does one feed an owl? Owl are hunters. They eat rats and snakes and frogs. And in Payal's house, they were all vegetarian, even the dogs. Payal's mother was totally anti-meat. But now that Owly had come to stay, she had get over her dislike for meat. Here, first Payal is asking about name for that owl. Her mother asked her to choose a name, so that Payal named the small owl as Owly. The name was settled, but when it comes to feed food for an owl, because owls are hunters, they eat only meats. But in Payal's house, even dogs do not eat meats. Payal's mother is anti-meat. Anti-meat in the sense they are all pure vegetarian. Even dogs also. But when it comes to Owly, Owly had come to stay in Payal's house. So, what Payal's mother is going to do with it, we are going to see in this paragraph, okay? That was another reason why that day was memorable. It was the first day that meat was brought to the house. Payal got the number from her friend and called the meat shop to ask them to deliver a half kilogram of minced meat to the house. They put the meat before Owly. This was also another important day because another memorable day because that day only in Payal's house they brought non-veg, that is meat, in her house. Before that they did not brought any meat. Because of this owl they brought a minced meat and put before that Owly. Of course, Owly did not know what to do with it. She was just a baby after all. If the mother owl had been there, she would have softened the meat and shoved it down Owly's throat. Payal's mother decided she had to be mother owl. She picked up a tiny bit of meat with her right hand and squeezed it up until it was soft. Then, with her left hand, she pressed open Owly's beak and shoved the food down. In a second, Owlie fell off her perch onto the floor of the cage. She lay on her back on the floor of the cage with feet up in the air. In this stanza, explains how Payal's mother feed Owlie. Of course, Owlie did not know what to do with it. Once the minced meat put before the owl, Owlie did not know what to do with it because Owlie was just a baby at all. If the mother is there, she may serve her. But here, Payal mothers decided to be a mother owl so that she pressed a little bit of a small part of meat in her right hand and she opened owl's beak in her left hand and put the food into owl's mouth. In a second, owl fell off from her cage. All are in panic now. Why the small owl fell out of the cage? Okay, it will be a suspense. We will learn in next class about it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Next is part 2 of the lesson.